Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Pilar and today we're gonna be preparing guacamole. For guacamole, you are gonna need your avocados, your tomato, onion, and some cilantro, lemon, and salt. And this is a very easy and fast recipe that you can make in any time of the day. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ripe avocados and we're gonna take all the pulp out. With a spoon is easier to do it. And we want to try to have your avocado as ripe as possible because that will make it easier for you to smash it. Okay, take this one out. For this recipe, we're using half avocados, and this one's turned out to be a little bit small, but they do the work. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one out, and the last one up here. So after we have all the pulp or meat of the avocado out, we are gonna take a fork and we're gonna try to smash it, not to a point that it's like all even. Try to leave some of the pieces uneven because that makes the guacamole more interesting. So as you can see, there's some different size pieces, and we're gonna go ahead and put our Roma tomato and previously chopped, also our red onion, our cilantro, and our salt. And to top it off, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, this lemon is quite big, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. And once we have it all done, we mix it together. And we're ready to go. You can use this guacamole like a side dish. You can use it as an appetizer. You can serve it with your chilaquiles or with your enchiladas. So it's good for every type of Mexican dish that you're cooking. I hope you enjoy it.